everyone, today we're going to be looking at a very interesting robot. This is one of my first window robots that I'm going to review. Honestly, it sounds quite interesting, one of its kind, and I wanted to really test out this window cleaning robot to see if this is something I need in the home. We all have multiple large windows in our homes, and when you have a big house, this can get quite stressful to clean and keep tidy. It's not a process that I enjoy, so I would like to see if this robot can really help me out and make my life easier. So I've got this very large sliding door that gets messy quite easily because it's directly connected to the backyard, and it gets a lot of fingerprints, dust, pollen, streak marks, watermarks, etc. And it is quite a hassle to keep it clean all the time. Pulling it out of the station, it looks quite compact and very put together. It looks like everything is into one little compact container that we just slide open. And when you pull up the station, you're gonna find your window robot just inside. The cord is quietly tucked away. To set it up, all you have to do is plug it in, power the station up, make sure that you put the solution that was provided inside the station into your window robot, and wet the cleaning rag before attaching it back onto the robot. You can also download the Ecovacs Home through the App Store and control the robot through the app. I set it up through the app and followed the instructions on the screen to figure out what to do. Next, you attach the robot onto a corner of your cleaning surface and just press the power button. Robot creates an air pressure suction that will easily attach to the cleaning surface, vertical or horizontal if you want, and it will keep cleaning it using its intelligent path finding and planning system. And when it's done, it will give you voice prompts to let you know. It cleans the surface by spraying your cleaning solution and going over it by gliding and using the mop pad. It can easily detect edges and clean using intelligent path patterns and the cleaning mode that you selected. While the robot is powered on, it is quite stable, so you don't have to worry about it getting loose or the cord tugging because it will stay suctioned to your surface until you power it down. Hey folks, so the window's been done cleaning and this is what it looks like. It looks much better than what it was before. Let me show you up close. The water streaks are mostly gone, and if you can see on this corners there is some water streaks, and this is how it was before. Alright, so I'm gonna give the sliding glass doors another wipe through and switch to thorough cleaning mode.
Switch to fast cleaning. Switch to edge cleaning. Switch to thorough cleaning.
And that's because there was still some dirt and gunk in there and that I want to clean. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is what it's looking like close up after a second pass. It looks much better and shinier. So there was some sticky residue that was there before, and now it's gone. I also wanted to test its usability and versatility beyond traditional windows. So I tried cleaning mirrors as well as metal surfaces. You can also try cleaning different surfaces such as shower glasses, tiles, balcony railings, etc. Anything that has a smooth surface that can be cleaned using a window robot, we can try using it. Alright, so this is the after for the cleaning, and as you can see, it got out most of the fingerprints except the corners. And yeah, this can be also used on metal surfaces as well. It's interesting that it can be used on glass, metals, mirrors. We're gonna try out some other surfaces for you to check out as well. Alright, so this is a full-length closet mirror that we're gonna be cleaning right now. It's quite long, and normally I need a ladder to clean this up. If you look at it up close, there's quite a lot of fingerprints as well as streaks and dirt on it. So we're gonna see how well our cleaner works to see if it cleans the whole thing. So far by the app, we can see that it has been deep cleaning, but there are a bunch of options that you can also select, such as fast, thorough cleaning, heavy duty, as well as edge cleaning for dusting and like cleaning the edges. So we're just gonna test it out and control it through the app and press start right here. You can also use the app as a remote control right here. So I see the front view, and we can control it to like just go towards a certain dirty spot. So I can just move it right like this, move it up. So that way, if there's like certain passes that you need for certain spots, you can control it accordingly. Alright, this is a close-up of the mirror. As you can see, there's no fingerprints, no streaks. It's very clean. And yeah, it did a really good job. And this is the after of a clean window. You can see that all the marks has disappeared and it looks quite nice. I can easily enjoy my backyard view without having to worry about streaks that are visible to the eye when the sun shines. So now that we're done cleaning, let's put this away. Before that, I just wanted to show you the buttons right here. So this is our remote changing button that will change your cleaning modes like I showed on the app previously, but this is through the machine itself. And this is for our wires. So all this wire, it's gonna put it back. Alright, time to take off this pad right here. We just need to clean it. I guess now we're gonna put this away. Make sure that all our wire is inside. We are done cleaning. Honestly, I think the Winbot is a game changer because of its versatility and ease of use. In our day-to-day busy lives, this is a time saver and it is quite easy to use as well. It reduces a lot of labor that you would have to do normally. And it can reach hard to reach surfaces that you would have to climb ladders for. So that is it for the review. We hope you liked the Winbot. This is the Winbot W2 Pro Omni. If you'd like to check out the product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. Thank you all for watching.